Hello, and welcome to our YouTube video on the chemistry of food. In this video, we will be exploring the fascinating world of food chemistry. From the chemical reactions that occur during cooking to the nutritional value of different foods. Part 1. The Science of Cooking. Cooking is essentially a series of chemical reactions that transform raw ingredients into delicious meals. For instance, when you roast a chicken, the heat causes the proteins in the meat to denature or unfold, which then forms new bonds that create a crispy outer layer. Similarly, when you bake bread, yeast interacts with the flour and water, producing carbon dioxide gas that makes the bread rise. Part 2. Nutritional value. Another important aspect of food chemistry is the nutritional value of different foods. Every food is made up of a unique combination of macronutrients, such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals, which provide our bodies with the energy and nutrients they need to function properly. By understanding the chemistry of food, we can make informed choices about what we eat and how it affects our health. Part 3. Chemical additives. Many foods also contain chemical additives such as preservatives, flavorings, and colorings. These additives are carefully regulated by food safety agencies to ensure they are safe for consumption, but there is still some debate about the long-term effects of consuming large amounts of these chemicals. Part 4. Conclusion. In conclusion, food chemistry is a complex and fascinating field that can help us understand the processes behind cooking and the nutritional value of different foods. By understanding the chemical reactions that occur during cooking and the components of different foods, we can make informed choices about what we eat and how it affects our health. Thank you for watching this video on the chemistry of food, and we hope to see you on the next one.